Hi everyone, this is Bao from Raytime Machinery. Today I'd like to showcasing our special design for our automatic tube hairpin bending machine for the coil tube production. Here you will see machine equipped with total 8 lanes, 8 tubes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This machine we designed 3 different bending radius. Let me show you. So you will see here machine equipped with 3 different bending radius. This one is the 34.64 and this one is 60 and this one is 69.28. So different bending radius can be bending in one machine. On this machine we are using the copper tube size 3/8. 9.52 millimeter. Now we are testing on the machine before deliver to Europe. Next, let me show you how this machine running.